may problem tayo dito na lumabas noong CLE November 2025 under PSAD. So ito yung problem guys, and ito yung given na figure. So ang sabi sa atin is may 3 identical smooth cylinders are stacked in a rigid bin as shown in the figure. Each cylinder has a diameter of 0.5 meters and weighs 400 newtons. The bin has a width of 0.8 meters and neglecting friction. Ito yung mga katanungan guys. Calculate the reaction at A, calculate the reaction at E, and calculate the reaction at F. So, proceed muna tayo sa number 1. So, ang unang gagawin natin dito guys is i-connect natin yung mga center ng cylinders. Ganyan. So, alam naman natin na ito is 0.5 meters. Diba? Kasi ang diameter daw ng cylinder is 0.5. So, if from center of the circle from to here, that is the radius, and from here to the center of the circle, that is also the radius. So, radius times 2, that is equal to the diameter. So, connect din natin ito dito sa baba para makuha natin itong theta na ito. So, ang problem natin dito guys is ano ang measurement nitong x na ito. So, alam naman natin, diba, from here to the center of this circle is 0.25 meters, which is ang radius. And then, from here to the end din, ito ay radius din. So, ang makukuha natin dito is ang x is equal to 0.3 meters. Kasi, ang sabi sa problem, ang width daw ng bin is 0.8. So, 0.8 minus 0.25 and then minus 0.25, that is 0.3. So, makukuha natin theta dito guys is cosine lang tayo. Cosine theta. And that is equal to adjacent, which is yung x na 0.3 over hypotenuse na 0.5. So, makuha natin theta dyan guys is approximately equal to 53.13 degrees. So, bakit natin kinuha yung theta na yan? So, if i-isolate natin tong circle, pinakaunang circle guys, itong circle number 1, ganyan, diba? So, ito yung center. Alam natin na ito is 400 newtons based sa given sa atin. So, ito yung A guys. So, may reaction dyan na lalabas. So, ito yung RA. And alam naman natin na ang theta dito is yung nakuha na natin. So, ito yung RAY. Y component ng RA. So, ang gagawin na lang natin dyan guys is magsasum up tayo ng forces along Y. So, summation forces Y equal 0. So, 0 is equal to RAY, which is RA sin theta. So, RA sin, ang theta naman natin guys is 53.13. And then minus 400 newtons. So, ang makukuha nating RA dito guys is approximately equal to 500 newtons. So, yan na yung answer sa ating number 1. So, let's proceed to number 2. So, ang question is calculate the total reaction at E. So, ang unang gagawin natin dito guys is kunin muna natin yung reaction sa C para mag-summation forces X na lang tayo if isolate natin tong cylinder 3. Okay? So, ang unang gagawin natin dito is isolate natin tong cylinder na ito. Yan. So, alam naman natin na nakuha na natin yung RA kanina, which is equal to 500 newtons. And then, alam natin na ang weight ng cylinder na ito is 400 newtons. So, nandito yung RC guys. Okay? So, kunin natin ulit yung theta ng C. So, connect natin ulit tong center ng circles. We know na ito ay 0.5, di ba? And this is 0.25. Ito ay 0.25 din. So, matitira dito is 0.3. Kasi ang given is 0.8 daw ito. Okay, so parang same lang siya sa number 1. So, makukuha natin yung theta dyan is 0.5 ito, 0.3 ito. So, ang theta dyan is 53.13 degrees. Cosine lang na function guys. So, ang gagawin natin dito sa figure na ito, sa FBD na ginawa natin, is sa summation forces tayo along Y. Kasi meron pa tayong RD dito. Okay? So, hindi natin alam ang RD. So, and this is along X. So, magsa-summation forces Y na lang tayo. So, summation forces Y. So, itong RC guys is meron siyang Y component na RC Y. And alam natin itong theta na ito. Okay? So, this is equal to 0. So, 500, alam naman natin na, unahin na lang muna natin yung RCY. Ang RCY is equal to RC sin theta, which is nakuha natin kanina na equal to 53.13 minus 400 and then minus 500 sin, alam natin na ito ay 53.13 din. Okay, that is also equal to theta, which is equal to 53.13. So, makuha natin RC dito guys is equal to 1,000 newtons. So, ang huli natin gagawin is isolate natin tong cylinder na ito. So, may RC dito. Diba? RC yan. And then, RCX ito. And ito yung E, diba? Ito yung RE. So, based from the figure, guys, alam natin na ang RE is just equal to RCX. And from this figure, ang RCX, alam natin na equal to RC, which is 1,000 newtons, cosine theta, which is 53.13 degrees. So, makuha natin RE guys is equal to 600 newtons. Ito yung answer sa number 2. That is letter A. So now let's proceed to number 3. So ito na yata yung question during our board exam noong November 2025 na pinakamadali. I consider this as bonus during PSAD sa November 2025 na CLE. Kasi ang tanong is calculate the total reaction at point F. So ito yung point F guys. And so denote natin that yan as RF. So alam natin na ang mga weight ng cylinder daw is 400 newtons. Ito is 400 newtons din. Then 400 newtons din ito. Kasi identical daw yung mga cylinders natin. So ang gagawin na lang natin dyan guys is sum up tayo ng forces along Y. So 400 times 3, that is equal to 12 newtons. Diba? Ganyan lang kadali sa board exam guys. in just less than 1 minute, may answer ka na. That is letter A.